Hi guys, today we received this great looking kit, and we have few for the website, so if you want to go check it out, will be available. Surely I will put my hands on it and I will maybe build one or just make some part for it. I am a big fan of the mountain prototypes, and this livery looks very nice. It was made by Hasegawa. It's a re-edition of the C9 Mercedes, nothing too fancy, just new decals. I noticed that the rims probably are different, and so there should be a new one. And so let's check. So let's open it. Inside, as usual, we have few parts, not many, classical of Hasegawa kits. So this is the plastic box, and we also have a different piece that I cannot understand what it is at this moment. I will check with the instructions. So this is just transparent parts. Then we have the big box with everything else, and yes, it seems that the rims are different from the other releases. That is, at least it's good. So there's no engine as usual, just few parts required. So I will open this later. Then there's the decal sheet. It's nice because it's actually silver, so it will build a nice Mercedes. This is good. Then we have instructions. Let me take the box to the side. So yes, this is everything it's inside. This part looks like the one in the transparent, but it seems that it's not used, so who knows. It's the simple Hasegawa type, not the Tamiya complete version, but for the price I think it's a nice car. There's a full instructions for the decals. You see, it should build up very nicely. It's a great looking livery. As usual, we have the body. The body looks in good shape. It's not bent, it's not damaged. It looks like a new cast, so it's the mold is not worn. It's quite good. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We have rubber tires, rims. If you see, they're quite different, big, small, and different in design. Okay, this is the wing, interiors. We can maybe add some more details. I would redo this part. Yes. For the interiors we can maybe go and check a little bit. Also the wings look very thick. I will maybe find a better way. Second rim set. These may be brake discs. Yes, very plain and simple. They look to be all the same, so we'll give it a check. And this part that probably is not used, they say, so I believe that the front, this is the front nose, and maybe this part has to go there instead of that one. Yes, sounds like it is. Yes, this is to make the test car, so it's nice to see this different. Okay, this is good. We understood where this goes. It needs a little bit of cleaning because probably the mold was made just for this run, so it's cheap mold. And you see the injection is right here, and there's quite a flash on the sides, but it looks like it can be a nice detail. Yep. So overall, as usual, it's a basic kit, but I like that they are going for, oh, one piece is detached. We'll find where it goes. I like that they are going to add these small parts to actually make the car on the box, not simply changing decals. This is a good effort from Hasegawa that started only in the last 10 years. So I'm very happy. And please go check on the website. I hope I will be able to release some parts for this car before we put them on the website. So please stay tuned, and let's see you in a while. Bye bye.